A pair of the Google Pixel Buds 2a. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV or an Amazon Fire TV stick. So the first thing is we want to go to the settings. What we can do is just tap on the home button and remote, or you can click on the settings button if you have it, the gear icon on your remote. But from here, you just navigate all the way over. Oops, we'll go all the way over to that gear icon right there. And then from here, we're going to go down. And we're going to go directly to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select that. From here, we're going to go down to other Bluetooth devices right there. Select that. Now from here, we're going to go all the way down to add Bluetooth devices right there. Select that. Now it is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So now let's hurry up and put these in a pairing mode. Buds are in a case. Let's open these up. Now you'll know that it's in pairing mode if this light here starts blinking white, white, white. It's a solid white light for me. The reason is because I'm connected to another TV or phone. So let me just manually put this in a pairing mode. There's a button here on the back. Let me press and hold for 5 seconds, or just wait till it starts blinking white. Ready to go. Press and hold. I'm holding it. Okay, there we go. Now it's blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode. It's still searching. So let's see if it finds it here. I might have to rescan. It's in pairing mode though. Okay, maybe I took a little bit too long. Let me just go down to cancel here. Add Bluetooth device again. And now let's see if it finds out. There you go, Pixel Buds 2a. Make sure it's highlighted. Select OK on there, on the remotes. And voila, we are now connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.